Hey guys, welcome to another Stitch Fix unboxing. Well, this is kind of an unboxing, but instead of my Stitch Fix arriving in a box, it actually arrived in an envelope. And instead of this having 5 items like a Stitch Fix normally would, this one only has 1. Now, if you are new to my channel, I am a stylist for Stitch Fix, and I've been working for the company for 3 years. It's actually going on 4 years, and I also style my own fixes that I am currently set up to receive monthly, but that might be changing. So now I'm just referring to this as a bonus fix. I don't really know what else to call it. But basically, Stitch Fix now is allowing you to buy different prints and colors of an item that you previously bought in a fix. So now I knew this was happening because I vividly remember logging onto my profile with Stitch Fix and seeing like, what is this? They're giving me the option of buying this shirt in like 3 different colors. What is happening here? Like, did you guys notice that when you were logging onto your profile or the app that option was happening? I noticed it, and to be honest with you, I was trying to ignore it for like as long as I possibly could because this is dangerous. So now that is what is in this little guy here. It's what I'm calling a bonus fix. It is a different color of an item I already bought. But I think like the easiest way for me to explain this to you guys is just to show you how it looks on the app. Now, if you don't have the Stitch Fix app, you can just log onto your profile at stitchfix.com and you will see this option there too. But let me walk you through it so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm just gonna show you on my phone because that's easiest. Obviously, there is my Stitch Fix app categorized as candy. But when you click on your app, it brings up like the standard home screen, right? But look at the bottom. See that row? That little t-shirt and my items, that's what you want to click on. And it'll give you your history of everything you've purchased with Stitch Fix. But like look in the bottom right-hand corner, see those colored squares? That's an indication that that item you bought comes in different colors. So I bought that in yellow, but it also comes in gray and white. And that's the thing, like you don't have to buy that item in a brand new color or pattern. Maybe your cat barfed on the one you own and love and you just want to replace it. So, you know, it's up to you how you want to use this function. But again, look at all the colors that some of these items come in. It is insane and extremely hard to resist. And it also gives you the option of buying it again in your same size or sizing down or up. And then it also explains how this works. So you would receive this item separately from your normal fix. It's free shipping, free returns, and there's no $20 styling fee when you buy what I'm calling like a bonus fix. And when you're in your profile, you can keep scrolling until you come to a section where that item just isn't available for repurchase at all, whether it's the same item or in a different pattern or color. And now the one thing I noticed right away is I was kind of hemming and hawing on a couple things, and I went back to see if that item was still available in a different color, and guess what? It wasn't. So you're kind of hedging your bets. If you see something, it's probably best just to jump on it because you never know when it's going to sell out. And this was one of the purchases that literally just kept like eating at my brain because I bought these in yellow last summer, and they are my favorite pair of shorts, hands down, from Stitch Fix or anywhere else for that matter. And I knew that they came in different colors, but oftentimes I'd go to style myself and certain colors weren't always in stock. So just keep in mind that this is not to exchange your original item for a different color or pattern, it's to buy an additional item in a different color or pattern. And look how fast this was. Ordered it at 10, shipped at 2. I had it in 2 days. So you see what I'm saying about this being the danger zone. But in any event, let's just tear right into this sucker. So I could not decide if I wanted the red version or the pink version of those shorts. I literally kept going back and forth, and finally I made a decision. But okay, so this is so sweet. This is the first time I've done this. So it arrives beautifully packaged like most fixes do. I love how they do this. I think it's such a sweet touch. And I decided to go with the pink. Oh my gosh, I Love, love, love these shorts. Let me just tell you something. These shorts are so beautifully fabricated. The structure's there, the quality's there. Like in the summertime, having a structured linen item is just, I'm telling you, I live for linen anything in the warmer weather. But as usual, I had a specific outfit idea in mind when I picked these out, and I am going to show you how I would wear these right now. Just to give you guys a close-up, like look how vibrant that pink is and the print is as well. And of course, these have pockets, which I adore. It does have an elasticized waistband, but it doesn't feel like cheap. It feels like really nicely structured. And then the pockets are also lined inside. So here's the idea I had for these shorts, and I'm gonna come in close so you guys can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. This is just a very simple black long sleeve blouse. There is detailing here up at the top, so it's got some nice lace detailing. But when you pair it with the shorts and then you add a heel, you know I'm all about the nude heels to keep that leg looking elongated, it just gives you like this perfectly pulled together and polished look that is so sophisticated, especially for like a late summer night dinner, late summer night party. And you get that by combining the long sleeve with the short pants. I think this always looks so sophisticated and just completely effortless. Another idea that you could put into action would be if you don't have a black blouse, you could get like a black button down. Like think of how gorgeous this would look with a black button down top. You know, again, you can cuff and roll the sleeves if you want a little bit more of a, you know, like an effortless vibe. Throw it on with the shorts, tuck it in, add some type of heel, and you're good to go. So that is it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new to Stitch Fix and you want to try out the service, now keep in mind, normally you would get a 5-item fix. This is just, again, what I'm calling like a bonus fix. But in any event, if you want to try Stitch Fix out, I do have a referral code below. If you use it, you'll get $25 off your first order, and then I will get a credit of $25 to use towards a future fix of my own. But you guys, I wanted to remind you, like, everybody that signs up and gets a Stitch Fix automatically gets a referral code. So it's not like you just have to be a stylist in order to have that code. So if you've already gotten Stitch Fixes, look for that code and then share it with your friends, because anytime somebody uses your code to sign up for Stitch Fix, once they get their first fix, the company's gonna kick you back $25 in credit to use on a future fix of your own. So that's how you can really start building up a nice little bank, if you will, to get free clothing from Stitch Fix. So again, find your referral code, blast it out to everybody you know, and enjoy. But in any event, again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.